wanted to show this real quick. This is 2 pieces of board. This is a cutting board. So you drill a little hole, then a bigger hole. You can sink your screw down where it won't touch the crank. This has got all scratched up journals. This crank you can see is absolutely pitted and junk out of a junkyard. You know, it's just for an example to sit on the table because I thought that'd be cool. You know, but you can see the journals tore up beyond the point of ever fixing. But you see what I mean about sinking the screw in and everything. And then what you do is drip some oil on here. It keeps it from tearing them up. You can put your little dial scale on here with an arm leading up to each one of the mains and just spin it and check them to see if they're, you know, bobbling or the crank. If you put it on the center one, say you mic this and it's perfect circle, then you put the scale up here and you go like that and that little dial moves. That means this crank's bent and it's hopping. And that's what's wrong with this one. It has a hop. That's the reason it's just a mock-up crank. This is an old 305 crank, so you're never going to use it anyway unless you put it like in a 327 Chevy and de-stroke it is what you'd be doing with this, bringing the pistons way down in the cylinder where you get half the power. You could really hail nail it with nitrous and stuff, but that's what this one was. It was just destroyed until it was bent. Obviously, that's why it's up here. Okay, everyone. That is just a way you can check your mains like that. Like I say, you gotta have a dial scale and know how to read, you know, your journal and everything, obviously. We're gonna be doing some maintenance on the 468 big block Olds motor, the nitrous motor in the Oldsmobile from the last video. We've done a full scale revolution turn here. It's a little over a year. We're absolutely going to do some maintenance on that car, check it all out, and like I say again, it's the one from the last video here, and we're going to retorque the heads. We'll be putting valve covers on, upper lower ball joint, all the little bolts that hold them in, we're going to tighten all that back down. I already bled the front and rear brakes, and I've been pretty busy lately, so we haven't been filming much, but this is the first one coming back into filming, so here we go. 53 doors. Everything, relash. We're going to retorque the heads, place the plugs, at least clean them up if they're in decent shape, as they seem to be. comes trouble. She's out there on her hoverboard. Creating trouble when I'm busy filming.
Look! There's Doge! That's my Doge! She's half asleep.
Psychopath issue.
What's she doing?
Hoverboard. She thought that was funny. It needs to be cleaned up and everything, but hopefully someone out there will be inspired by this video and they'll want to pick up their father or grandfather's tools and carry on like I have. I've been nothing but inspired by my elders and tried my hardest to help everyone or elders that were around me. I hope you guys are inspired by this video. Thank you for your time.